Alright, conversion for metric units. So in the last video we went over what all this means, this giant table up here. And again, these are our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tenths, hundreds, and thousands. It's all based on grams. So this is 10 grams, 100 grams, 1,000 grams, a tenth of a gram, hundredth of a gram, and a milligram, which is a thousandth of a gram. So if we want to convert, and remember, meters, this is all length, grams is all weight, and liters is all volume. So you can only convert within. You can't go, oh, I'm going to convert grams to liters. So unless you're a major chemist, it's not going to happen. Grams to meters, these are different types of measurements. So we're going to be doing meters to meters, and we're going to do decimeters to kilometers. So we want to convert a tenth of a meter to 1,000 meters. Well, if you notice, that's just powers of 10. So what you have to do is look at the deci. Right there, deci's right here. Remember, dA is deca, D is just deci, and the last letter tells us what type we have, so we're dealing with length. We want to go from deci to kilometers, so we got to go straight to the base. You can't skip the base unit, remember they're tenths, ones, and then from the ones we go to deca, and then from deca to hecto, and then from hecto to kilo. So this is our conversion method. We have to turn deci into base, the base into a deca, deca into hecto, and hecto into kilo. Well, here's how clean that is. It's all about the direction. All we're doing with is powers of 10. So if you want to go from deci to kilo, you just go over 1, 2, 3, 4, because that's all we did. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 loops there, 4 loops here, and that's where our new decimal is. So the answer is this. So 300 decimeters is the same as 3/100ths of a kilometer, so 0.03 kilometers. Isn't that nice? Watch. So hecto to centi. So we're going to start here, and we got to go this direction. Remember, don't skip the base. Got to go all the way to centi. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going this direction. Last one we went this direction. So we have to go in the same direction that we move. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have centiliters. Isn't that nice? It's nice and clean. Watch. We'll do it again now. So we're going to start with grams. Grams is right in here. That's our base. We put a dot here. And we got to go grams to centigrams. So over 1, 2 to centi. And we went to the right. So the decimal will always be after the number. So we go over 1, 2. So it's 700 centigrams. And that's it. This is metric unit conversion. There's no tricks or anything to it. You just move the decimal. That's it. And that's why the metric system is beautiful. So I've got some problems for you to try. The little hint and examples there. All you're going to do is look at what we did up here and move the decimal. That's it. Okay? So you're going to convert from centi. Convert the following to centi. So if you start with decimeters, remember it's King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Move that over a little bit. There we go. Alright. So if you want to go from deci to centi, we're at deci right here, to centi, and that's milli off to the side. That's 1 to the right. So that's why you go 1 to the right and you get 45 centimeters. So you're going to convert all of these to centimeters. If there is no prefix in front, that means this is our base unit right here. Base, it's just a meter. Remember, it's like 3 feet, but this is 0.3 of it. So convert them. Give them a shot. Hit pause now and try it. If you get them wrong, go back and correct them and see why you made a mistake. Hit pause now. Alright, and here are the answers. So again, check them. If you get them wrong, go back and look and see why they're wrong. Make sure that you have the correct units. These are all kilos, so you should have kilometers, because it's meters. This is liters, so you should have kiloliters. This is grams, so you should have kilograms. This is grams, so you should have kilograms. And the ones above, we wanted just a base unit, so grams, meters, or liters. So you should have meters, grams, meters, and meters, because that's the last letter. So remember the number letter in front? That's how many of these you have. All right, thank you.